Greetings everyone, in this video I will show you how to use these installer scripts properly. Let's go to our RunPod from this link. Let's log in. Let's go to Community Cloud, select Extreme Speed. Let's select RTX 3090. Select Stable Diffusion Web UI template. Click Continue, but before that you can also increase your volume disk space according to your needs. Okay, deploy. Let's go to my pods. Okay, wow, I did left this open. I should stop this pod. Okay. Just wait until the connect button appears. Connect button appeared. Let's connect to JupyterLab. And from this post, you need to download all these 3 files in the attachments. Click every one of them to download one by one. Okay, when you first time install the RunPod, enter inside Stable Diffusion Web UI folder, click this upload icon, upload relauncher.py, overwrite, then click here and restart your pod. Wait for restart to be completed. Then connect again to JupyterLab. During the restart you will get this, just patiently wait. It should be very fast. Okay, restart has been completed. Then go back to inside workspace, upload install files, you see, upload them. And from this post you will see the scripts that you need to execute. First select this part, copy, terminal, copy paste it, and wait until you get the automatic 11 web UI fully started. It should be pretty fast actually, just wait. Okay, the installation has been completed. This was only first installation, therefore we have some errors. Now we will install the second part. So open another terminal, go back to the post, copy this part, copy it, copy paste it, and it will install the second part for the Dreamboot extension of automatic 11.11 web UI on a RunPod with the perfectly working version. We are installing perfectly working version right now. The second installation will be much faster than the first time, and you will also get this message, but this is not an error. We got our automatic 11.11 web UI started. All I need to do is now, let's go back to here, click connect to HTTP port 3001, and we will get our automatic 11.11 web UI with perfectly working Dreamboot extension as you are seeing right now. We have installed specific versions for it to work because the latest version is not working. On this instance, you can use SD 1.5 based models perfectly fine, train them perfectly fine, but SDXL will not work on this version. That's it. Ask me any questions from Patreon. Thank you so much for supporting me.